top 10. We going further. We were top 10 dead or alive. I swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Don't you know, it's getting old. Hard, hard, hard. I need secrets to be a part of me. I need hard I need hard.
9th Gen Civic'S 2015. Got a PRL Stage 2 turbo kit on it, pushing around 500 to the wheels. Yeah, I mean, it's fun for what it is, you know? I'm not gonna give y'all a pull right now, but you know, just trust my word for it. The shit moves. We got another 9th Gen here. This is a 4-door though. It's my boy Trini FB6. This is the old engine that was inside the car. As you can see, rod ain't really like 500 horsepower, so. Well, you see, it kind of made a hole. Made a hole right there, a hole in the back too. And then there's a hole underneath, so this engine definitely handled a lot. Been my daily for 5+ years. It's been boosted for 2 years. Took a lot of beating when I was boosting it, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Between owning the car for 5 years, beating the shit out of it for 5 years, threw 500 horsepower at it, and just decided I wanted to finally give up. So I ain't even mad. It's really expected, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Welcome back to the channel.
Oh, gotta get the step out merch. Come on, fam.
StepOutShop.co. I can plug on my own channel, right?
Yeah, of course.
That's too much?
No, hell no.
Is it a shameless plug? You plug your own company?
I be feeling like people be doing too much sometimes, no?
Nah, if you make an infomercial, that's doing too much.
That's doing too much?
Fuck it. Why didn't I just step out merch right now?
Shop now at StepOutShop.co. Get your stickers, banners, t-shirts. What else I sell? That's it. My fault, bro. It's cinematic, but that shit.
Fuck, it's not gonna catch on. I don't wanna feel nobody kid. Mommy, some dude, yeah, that's weird, yeah.
Alright, so we're getting a K24 Z3 out of a 2011 Acura TSX. We're gonna be putting that in the 9th Gen as a stock motor. The only differences between a Z7 and a Z3 is the timing cover and the oil pan. You have to use the oil pan from the K24 Z7 in order to fit the Z3 on the 9th Gen. That was a lot.
It was.
That was a lot, right?
But you were correct.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sound confident?
For sure. Oh, got his ass.
Z3 is basically the same as a Z7, but it's just a lot cheaper. It's a great option. I got one question though.
For sure.
Yo, back.
Yo, my fault. I'm listening though.
Should I keep the back? Yo, bro,
my fault.
chill. Should I keep the motor stock, or should I build that shit?
Is building it too much money? The talk.
It's never too much.
Nah, fucking build that shit. Hey, listen. I heard about them boys with them laptops in the car though. Are you one of them boys?
Yo, where the laptop at, Mark?
I got you.
Yo, grab a laptop real quick, bro.
I'll load it up. Hold on, give me a second.
No cap?
He getting that shit.
So what you say? Build it or buy
What you say? Build it or just put the stock motor in and get it running?
Whatever your credit card can handle.
Wow, crazy.
Yo, wow.
Wow.
Drew,
Wait, ask him the question one more time.
what was the question?
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself. This made you look so fucking stupid.
Oh, leave the stock or build it?
Yes.
Are you a regular guy?
I'm not a regular nigga.
Sit down like a normal person.
Am I a normal person, Miss Bryant? No! I'm black.
Why would you leave it regular?
I'm not a regular person. What you think, Mike? What you think? Build it?
Bob the Builder. Can we build it? Yo, can't emphasize this enough. Don't let your girl be the reason why you lose something like this, bro.
Crazy.
Don't lose to a nigga.
We keep this shit on us, bro.
Imagine, I want a scat pack just to get blown out by a dude with a Honda and a laptop.
Honda's got this shit to conceal. You feel me?
I can't get a scat wheel?
Don't do it.
Still good rolling. Yo, Bobby, yo, Bobby.
With a $20 inside outside wide. Yo, ven aquí.
Yo, $20.
$20 bumper.
Let's see what that
Damn, nigga, my foot was wrong with you. Oh shit. What the fuck? Put your tongue back in your mouth. Bro,
You just wipe your nose? Go fuck your shit. What's up with you? What's up?
Yo, that kid, yo, he's plotting some shit, bro. This the 5th time this nigga done rolled by the crib, bro. Bro, listen, bro. $20 inside and outside, bro. I'll wash your shit. Oh, for real? $20? Cash only. I got it. Hey, come through, bro. You good? Come on. Yeah. Rev it for me. Open the fucking door, nigga. No.
Nobody's touching the door.
Nobody's touching this.
The crazy thing is,
This is all on video.
Yeah, that's all. No, I want him to feel dumb as fuck. When he open it, nah, look at
Nah, listen, the film, I can feel when niggas grabbing it because I turned and niggas held it so I don't turn. So. Oh, shit.
Ryan Little.
Yo. Ain't no way this the place, bro.
They talking about they close at 5. What the f is this? This look like some human trafficking shit is what it look like.
So here she is, guys. Got a used K24 Z3 2011 TSX. I think that's the car it came out of, I'm not gonna lie. They wrapped it all up for me. Hopefully it's a good motor, bro. It got like 90K miles on it, looked in pretty good condition, so we'll see. Not the white TSX, it was this burgundy one right here. This should have been slutted for parts, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Sir. This car just getting parted out for everything, bro.
That's the same car.
Yeah. On the floor, got in the back crash. Pretty bad accident from the rear, but everything up front seems to be good.
I saw the radiator support in the morning too.
Oh, you saw the radiator support this morning?
Yeah, look, I got it here and here and here. Somebody coming in the morning for that, the front.
So we finally got the engine all packed up in the car. Got the daily now.
This shit hurts.
We got the cherry picker here. It's taking up like the whole SUV, so barely any space for the engine, but made that shit work. Jeez, I'm gonna have to take the hat off for this one, man.
That's how you feel? That boy need to get in the gym.
I can't feel all the way, but I feel like a good 300 pounds.
Look like a nice big pack.
Beefy, yo. No, Bob, don't throw out your back, please, bro, please.
This is a one-man job, but just because
there's no grip on it.
Yeah. It would it be easier if I tilted it and I put it like this? Watch out, let me get it. Just don't worry about it.
Get your bitch
Get your ass up out of here.
Just put on the block. You're gonna walk that way.
Take my pants off. I'm not my pants, but I take it. Oh, okay. Bro, yo. Come on, say, what the fuck are you doing now? What kind of freaky shit you want to do? I ain't gonna lie about this shit. Rip my pants. No. When she said it was 300, I was like, what this nigga lift it by itself? Oh, fuck.
Y'all niggas.
Yo. Big ass nigga. I'm trying to fuck with you.
Niggas don't know about that gym life.
Shout out Soul Patrol Fitness 98, you feel me? You see what the fuck you just did? Come on now, eat your Wheaties, man. Come on now.
They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
Really overwhelming. I think about it on the way over, like, how the fuck am I gonna get this shit out? I remember I'm friends with some big ass niggas.
Hold on. Get the plane. Get the fucking plane. Unplug it, Ron. Go. No, what are you?
Yo, you on camera, bro. Yo, you on.
Why don't put a handle on the engine, bro? So small nigga grab that shit, put that shit on.
Yeah.
Gotta lock in, bro.
How old are you?
Hey, you dumb.
Oh shit, my bad. Too much.
It's a 9th gen Civic this engine's going in.
Damn,
Yeah.
you put it in the CB?
Yeah.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my